Hello. So let's pick back up from where we left off last time. If you look at the previous video, we did being able to send or transmit data over DMA and essentially being able to hand over our serial port data sending, especially for large, very large data. And we were able to send it. So this data was about 100,000 bytes of data. We were able to send it over serial port, but we used DMA to not block our CPU, so which is good. Now today I want to talk about receiving data. So for example, if we go here, we have an option to send a string, like send data via serial port. So how do we receive that data in our board? So that's what we'll be walking through today. So in order to do that, I'm going to quickly remove this. I should be able to have version control on this. So I'm not deleting and losing work. Interesting. I'll figure that version control out for the. It should be. Let's see. In my open new Windows, open file location. That's what I want to see. Huh. I'm just going to. So this is my file location. Show System Explorer. I think I've been. I pretty much have been doing everything here. How many bytes of data do we have? I'll just do it here. So if I do my get, so this is our file location. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, this might be just a video for itself. Let's go ahead and so let's do get status. I know I don't have it initialized, so I need to initialize it. No get repository. Yeah, I knew that. Get init. All right, so now we have the initialized status. All right, so we will do get. We'll add all. I should probably have a get ignore file. So since this is a PowerShell, I think we need to use a different command. So let's do new item get ignore. I don't like PowerShell. Okay, so now let's. So I pretty much went to AI and asked for a list of ignore files that I should target for STM Cube IDE and STMMX, because that's pretty much majority of the tool development that we'll be working on here. So this is the list that I got, and I am just gonna put it here. In that way I don't have to version control a bunch of files that I don't need to version control. So now let's add it. Get commit. initial commit. Wow, that's actually, oh, commit. Oh, wrong file, wrong name in here. So let's try that again. Man, that console ran a lot of files. Yeah, oh my gosh, that's a lot. All right, but at least we are version controlling this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I should probably, so to avoid this video not to get too long, I should probably just stop here and pick back up next time. This video will just be about setting up your version control for this type of project. So now we have, if we go to VS Code, we have we should have our 3 initial commit, and we should have all the files that we have committed to the repo. Actually, it's not too bad, but it felt like a lot of files, and we were able to make sure that we use a gitignore, so we are not committing files that are not necessary. Like we'll create a bunch of debug files, some release of these files. So this is very important, so you're not all these drivers files, you know, there's a lot of high size files in there that you probably don't want to version control. Okay, so now our project is version control. I wonder if we can do what we're doing in VS Code, if we can do it here. I know at one point I saw something about Git, but I don't remember where I saw it. Yeah, so if I find out how to do it in here, I will let you know. But for now, we will use 2 different tools to do the workflow of committing. So basically what happens is that every time I make any new change, I'll come here and I'll do status, then it shows me all the changes that I made. Then I can run a add all, then git commit, and that's it. I don't plan to push it to the remote, but if I do, then I can set that up as well and push it to remote. But for now, I think I just want everything to be locally. No problem. All right, that'll be it. Signing off for this video. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.